Hello friend, welcome to my video. In this video I show you how to build your own server using Unraid. You need at least one USB stick, one solid-state drive, two traditional hard drives. As you can see, I use one 8GB USB stick, one 240GB solid-state drive, two traditional 500GB hard drives. We will learn the function of each type of storage device in this video. First, the 8GB USB stick is used to store the Unraid operating system. You plug the USB stick into the computer and go to the Unraid homepage to download the USB Flash Creator tool to write the Unraid operating system to the USB. Unraid only allows you to use USB to burn OS. Once you have downloaded Unraid USB Flash Creator tool, you just need to select the correct USB stick and click write, then wait a few minutes and it's done. As you have seen, the Unraid OS has been written to your USB stick. Now plug it into your target computer. You should make sure that one solid-state drive and two traditional hard drives are installed in your target computer. The next step, you adjust so that your computer boots from the Unraid USB memory stick. Unraid will take a few minutes to start. You wait until the IP address information of the Unraid server appears. As you can see, my Unraid server IP address is 10.11.32.70. Now from another computer in the same local network as the Unraid server, open a web browser and enter the IP address of your Unraid server. Unraid is a very useful operating system and you should pay for it. The initial default won't ask for a password. In this video, I will register for a trial to introduce to you. To do that, you need to adjust your time to suit where you live. You will get a 30-day trial with full features. Unraid supports Docker containers, virtualization, network-attached storage, and especially is very easy to use. By this step, you'll understand why you need two traditional hard drives and one solid-state drive. A traditional hard drive is used as a backup for other array hard drives in case any of the hard drives fail. You can add up to two parity drives. Parity drives must be the same size or larger than any other data drives in your array. A traditional hard drive is left to store data. Of course, you can install more of these in your server depending on your paid option. The solid-state drive will store virtual machines and temporary data before being put on the traditional array hard drive. With this approach will optimize your performance, speed, and experience. With this initial setup it will take a long time. You need to be patient to get the results you deserve. With a 500GB hard drive, it took me about an hour and a half to complete. Next, you need to format the cache drive and the data drive. Now you create a password for your Unraid server. The initial default won't ask for a password. And next, create an account to be able to access the shared storage over the network. Next step, I create a folder and share it. In this example, I create a folder and name it Netn, then I allow the Netn account to access, read, and write data so it. You need to change the sharing mode from public to private of the shared folder to ensure the safety of your data. Next, you allow the Netn account to have read and write permissions for the shared folder. Then I will access the shared folder on the Unraid server from the Windows computer. You enter the IP address of the Unraid server with the shared folder name. Then enter the account information that is allowed to access this shared folder. As you can see, my Windows computer was successfully able to access the shared folder on the Unraid server. At this point, the Unraid server has become a storage device attached to the network. So if you want to install applications on Unraid server, how to do it? You go back to the Unraid homepage and click on the apps to learn how to install the plugin. Here you just copy the link and paste it into the plugin settings on the Unraid server. After installing the plugin, your horizontal menu bar will appear with an apps option. Here will appear a list of many useful applications that can be installed on your Unraid server. Applications are designed as containers and you can install multiple apps on a single Unraid server. In the next videos, I will introduce you to good applications that can be installed on Unraid. In addition, you can install virtual machines on Unraid. I will choose some applications to introduce to you in the next videos. Next, I will guide you to back up the USB stick, store the Unraid operating system in case something bad happens. You need to change from public mode to private mode to remove the warning of USB stick. Then you click Flash Backup, so a backup has been created and you will be assured when something goes wrong with your USB stick. And next you should configure Array Storage to run automatically on Unraid startup. Next, schedule a hard drive health check to ensure the safety of your data. By default, data will be transferred from solid-state hard drive to traditional hard drive once a day. You can also change it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and leave your questions in the comment section down below.